Hi, this is Heather from the Personal Relationship Firm. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to how to access and what's available in the help section of deanmills.org's website. So as I showed in a previous video, accessing the custom menu or custom sidebar is as easy as selecting this little plus sign. From there, I can actually see that I've created a help section, and if I click on that, this is what I'm going to get, which is a list of posts created that are how-to instructional entries that allow you to access quick and easy information on how to make changes to your site. For example, there is how do I add images to my gallery, how do I edit an existing page, and if I scroll through here, it's going to give me additional options. So featured image, how do I add things to my recent releases, and that's the one we're going to take a look at right now. So you can quickly scroll through and get to things that you're looking for, or as we show, there's that search feature right here, so I can go ahead and enter a search criteria like how to or recent releases, and it's going to then go ahead and filter things for me. So if we take a look at previous releases, this bar right here, this animated sidebar, is what is being pulled from the previous releases, and it includes every CD that Dean Mills has created in the past, its cover art, its title tracks, and the integrated MP3 player. So if I wanted to add something new to that, I could first go to the help section and take a look at what it is that I need to do to add something into this section of the site. Now this is useful whether you as the site owner or I as a site administrator. Websites can be built in many different ways, so it's nice to go ahead and have some reminders on what is being displayed where and how to add and edit that information. So if we take a look at this, we're going to see when I'm in admin feature, it's always going to say edit this post or give me an option to. And then I've created some reminders. So insert your PayPal link here. PayPal links are available through your PayPal account and a little bit out of the scope of this particular video, but just know when you pull that code, this is where it's going to go. And then a reminder to enter your CD content here, add a short description of the CD, including any notes and its inspiration and guest artists. Those are some of the things that have been included in the other CD liner notes, so I just wanted to put a reminder to you on what are the common things that you've been adding. And then we can see title, performed by, etc. So let's scroll down. This is actually the formatting convention created for all of the releases. So you can see that there's a specific header. There is a table that includes information from Dean, guest artists. These are just placeholders and reminders to how to put things in the order that is standard on this site, and then a reminder to insert your gallery of images here. And then I've created some instructions on, okay, how do I do those things and what do I do first? Now, one of the nice things about this is the first thing you can do is actually enter in to the edit mode. Now you'll notice I now can see, okay, there's the title that my post is using. Here's the actual content. And if I go up here to the top of the navigation, I'm going to want to always, as a habit, open that up and say, yeah, I want to see everything. Especially if you're not used to, or this is your first time working in WordPress, it's nice to be able to see, okay, what else is going on in this, so that if there's any special features. In this particular site, we're really not using too much of that except for the leaving comments on or off. It's nice to leave them on because if someone's been listening to that music, they can go ahead and comment directly into that page and say, oh, I love this track, etc. So from this visual editor, I can see that I have two tabs, one which says visual and one that says HTML. If I want to basically copy and paste this information to create a new post or a new release, the best way to do that is to enter into the HTML mode. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste and build from an existing post to create a new post.